Hello everyone, welcome to Dengue Alert System. Dengue Alert System is a mobile application that is developed exclusively to support multiple user requirements at a single place. The main aim of this project is to identify the dengue prone areas and so that people in those localities can take extra precautions because there is a dengue outbreak nearby. So this project is developed by a group of 3 and the entire details about this project is provided in the description below. So as you can see here, this app supports 3 kinds of users: the affected ones, doubtful ones, and the ones who would like to seek information about dengue. So the first category is affected ones. The person who is affected, as you can see here, will be asked two questions here. The first one is past 4 to 10 days location and the current location. Reason behind asking past location is it generally takes 4 to 10 days after a mosquito bite to identify the symptoms. So we aim at tracing the dengue prone areas with this question. And the second one is current location. With this, we will be getting the data about the nearby hospitals and doctors who treat dengue. For example, let us consider that the past location is Vijayawada and the present location is Hyderabad. So now the location is Vijayawada and it is stored, which means that there is a dengue case in that location, and we were presented with the current location, Hyderabad's hospitals. Next, we will be provided with precautions, and there it all ends. So the first category, affected ones, will be giving you the information about the dengue prone areas. The next category is doubtful. For this, we will take as input the symptoms that the user is having, based on which the primary level of seriousness is predicted. And of course, irrespective of their level of seriousness, we will always suggest them to have a checkup. So as you can see here, if the person is affected, if the person has all the symptoms above, then he will be given a level of seriousness as high. So irrespective of his condition, we always suggest him to visit the hospitals. Next, the user is asked to give his current location to get the hospital details. So let us suppose the user is in Chennai. So there will be given a page that displays the details of hospitals and the dengue specialist in Chennai. And next will be given the precautions, and there it all ends. So this category of users who are doubtful of their health condition will be given a self-assessment test as you have seen here. And moving on to the third category of users who is seeking information about dengue. So initially we'll give him the symptoms and then the statistics of number of cases registered, as you can see here. Then comes the precautions, and there it ends. So finally, with this application, we aim at fulfilling the user requirements and help to identify the dengue prone areas so that people in those localities can take extra precautions because there is a dengue outbreak nearby. So thank you so much. Have a nice day all.